You walked in with confidence, sat down, and said the four words everyone says: short on the sides, long on the top. You wait for the transformation, they spin you around, and it's a disaster. It doesn't look like the photo. You force that polite, awkward smile. And the first thing you do? Put on a hat for the next month. Here's the truth. It wasn't just your barber's fault. The problem started before the scissors even touched your hair. Step 1. Understand your face the right way. Forget the lazy charts about round or square faces. You are not a simple shape. You are a person with proportions that need balance. Divide your face into 3 zones: the forehead, the mid-face, and the jaw-chin. What matters is what you emphasize. If a feature, like a wide forehead or deep hairline, is too prominent, use textured hair or a fringe to soften it. If a feature, like a soft jawline, is weak, elevate the focus with a high fade and more volume on top to give the illusion of height and structure. Step 2. Work with your texture, not against it. Most men are at war with their own hair, trying to force curls to be straight or trying to inject impossible thickness into fine hair. It's exhausting, and it always looks worse. The assignment here is simple. Stop styling. Wash your hair with water only, let it air dry. See its true, natural state. This is your foundation. Build your hairstyle based on your natural curl pattern and density, not on a heavily filtered photo of someone who has entirely different genetics. Step 3. Go in. Armed, speak the barber's language. Short on the sides is not a plan. It's a suggestion. The language of modern barbering is technical. You need to specify the fade line. Is it a low, mid, or high fade? You need to specify the guard. Are you asking for a skin fade, a number 1, or a blended taper? And for the top, it's about layers and texture. Are you looking for movement, volume, or a heavy fringe? Finally, bring photos. Not just one, but a collage of 3 or 4 different angles of a style you like on a person who has similar hair to you. Step 4. The 80-20 barber rule. The reality is, 80% of barbers are focused only on speed and the clippers. They know one cut. The elite 20%, the people you should be paying for, understand layering, blending, growth patterns, and how to handle a tricky cowlick. You are not paying for the time. You are paying for the expertise. A great barber will talk you out of a bad idea and suggest a great one. When you find that person, their chair is gold. Never let them go. Step 5. Your style is only as good as your hair health. No amount of styling product or an amazing haircut can save damaged, neglected hair. The fundamentals. 1. Fuel it. Hair is protein. Ensure you're getting enough protein and essential vitamins like biotin and vitamin D. 2. Cleanse your scalp. Not every day, but regularly. And when you shampoo, gently massage your scalp for 60 seconds to boost circulation. 3. Hydrate the ends. Use conditioner on the tips of your hair, not directly on the scalp, to prevent dryness and breakage. The days of the awkward baseball cap are over. You are now equipped with the knowledge to get the cut you actually want. Your homework. Take 20 minutes today, find your hair double online, and dissect their style using the technical terms we just covered. If you want more tips to upgrade your look without the trial and error, hit subscribe and share this with a friend who still defaults to short sides, long top.